20 traditional Hausa foods in Nigeria that define northern Nigerian cuisine. The Hausa people are one of the largest ethnic groups in Nigeria, and their cuisine reflects a rich and diverse cultural heritage and traditions of the people and neighboring West African countries. Hausa cuisine is known for its use of fresh, locally grown ingredients and traditional cooking techniques. Whether you are looking for protein, fiber, vitamins, or other essential nutrients, there are plenty of healthy Hausa foods in Nigeria to choose from. Be it soups, stews, grains, or leafy greens, there is something for everyone in the diverse and flavorful world of Hausa cuisine. If you've been to the north and you failed to taste any of the following delicacies I'm about to mention now, then you're missing. Here are some signature dishes from the Arewa Kingdom that you really should try. Please note that to compile the list of the top 20 most popular Hausa foods, we conducted extensive research, taking into cognizance the historical significance, cultural relevance, and popularity among Hausa communities, both locally and internationally. But if at the end of the video you still did not see your favorite food or snacks, do let me know in the comment section so that I will update accordingly. Now, here are 20 tasty and nutritious Hausa delicacies you should try today. Koko and Kosai. This food is majority taken by at least 70% of Hausa people as breakfast. Kosai is a dish which is made from peeled beans formed into a ball and then deep fried in palm oil. While koko is a porridge and a traditional Hausa food made from millet, maize, guinea corn and tiger nuts with a small amount of additives that are added to nourish it. Masa. Nigerian masa, also known as rice cakes or waina, is a popular traditional northern Nigerian delicacy, particularly among the Hausa ethnic group. It is made from rice and is often enjoyed as a snack or breakfast meal. Tuwo shinkafa. Tuwo shinkafa is a rice dish originating from the Hausas, which is popular in the northern Nigeria and Ghana. Ghanaians call it omotuo. This rice is cooked until very soft, followed by mashing and rolling into balls, and is eaten with stew as a swallow. It is one of the easiest swallows to prepare, as there is little effort required to make cooked rice into sticky dough, and there is no chance for lumps to develop like they would when making swallows with powder like amala and the rest of them. In Hausa cuisine, it is often served as a side dish alongside soups and stews. Dambunama, fried meat floss. Dambunama was once one of the best kept secret recipes from northern Nigeria. This should top the chart of ultimate street foods from the north of Nigeria. Dambunama, also known as beef floss, is a savory shredded beef delicacy that is popular in Hausa cuisine. The beef is cooked until tender, shredded and then fried with onions, garlic and spices until crispy and flavorful. Miyan kuka. Miyan kuka is a delicacy of Hausa origin. If you have ever been to the north, you must have noticed some dark green powder sold in northern markets by the traders. That is what northerners call kuka. It is made from baobab leaves. The leaves are usually dried in the sun and grinded into fine powder. It is also called lulu soup. Zongeli. Zongeli, also known as moringa soup, is a nutritious and delicious soup made from fresh moringa leaves. The leaves are smeared with meat or fish, onions, tomatoes, and spices to create a flavorful and aromatic dish. Fura da nono. Fura da nono is a traditional Hausa drink made from millet flour balls, fura, served in fermented cow milk, nono. This refreshing and nutritious drink is often enjoyed as a snack or light meal. Danweke or Hausa masa is a sweet and savory snack made from rice flour and sugar. These small fluffy pancakes are fried until golden brown and served with a sprinkle of powdered sugar or honey. Kununzaki. Kununzaki is a refreshing and nutritious beverage made from millet, ginger, and sugar. It is popular throughout Nigeria and is often served cold on hot days. Miyankubewa or okra soup is a flavorful and slimy soup made from fresh okra, meat, fish, and spices. It is often served with tuwo shinkafa or other traditional Nigerian swallow. Fried yam is a simple yet delicious Hausa delicacy made from sliced yams that are deep-fried until golden brown and crispy. It is often enjoyed as a snack or side dish. Miyan yakuwa, a northern Nigerian soup prepared with chopped yakuwa, that's sorrel leaves, to become one of your favorite foods once you try it with shinkafa or pounded yam. Miyan taushe or pumpkin soup is a rich and creamy soup made from ripe pumpkins, tomatoes, onions, and spices. It is often served with tuwo shinkafa or other traditional Nigerian staples. Kuraza. Kuraza is a type of flat bread made from wheat flour and yeast. It is similar to Indian naan bread and is often enjoyed with soups, stews, or grilled meats. Snacks. Under snacks, we have the kilishi. Kilishi is a spicy dried meat snack that is similar to beef jerky but with a distinct Hausa twist. Thinly sliced beef or goat meat is marinated in a blend of spices including chili pepper, garlic, and ginger before being air-dried to perfection. Suya. Suya is perhaps one of the most famous Nigerian street foods, and the Hausa version is exceptionally flavorful. It consists of grilled meat, typically beef or chicken, seasoned with a blend of spices including ground peanuts, cayenne pepper, and ginger. Kuli kuli. Kuli kuli is a popular Hausa snack made from groundnuts, which is also called peanuts, that are grounded, roasted, and mixed with spices to form a crunchy snack. It is often enjoyed on its own or as a topping for salads and soups. Kilishi burger is a modern twist on the traditional Hausa snack kilishi. It consists of a grilled beef patty topped with sliced kilishi, lettuce, tomatoes, and spicy sauce, all sandwiched between two buns. Awara. Awara is one of the most eaten foods in the northern part of Nigeria, but mostly as snacks. Though the food is seen as snacks in the northern part of Nigeria, it is one of the most popular foods consumed there. It has a fantastic meat texture and flavor and is often offered in a block format. Tuwon sakwara or pounded yam. Tuwon sakwara is a classic Nigerian dish that is smooth and stretchy dough made from boiled yams. It holds an esteemed place in Hausa cuisine. Tuwon sakwara is prepared by boiling yam chunks until soft and then pounding them to a stretchy dough-like consistency. That's it, lovelies. We've come to the end of this video, which is 20 traditional Hausa foods in Nigeria that define northern Nigerian cuisine. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till I come your way next time, it's goodbye from Naija Foods. See you soon.